Okay, so we're going to go ahead and generate an email. So I've got the Cumulus brand kit here, and let's see, I want to make sure that we are connected here to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And I'm going to say, create an email for my Visa rewards program, and introspect the ampscript for personalization from, and I went ahead and just copied the data extension so that way we wouldn't have to dig around. Let's review it as a artifact. Then once approved, you can create and publish the email HTML into Marketing Cloud. Okay, and run. All right, so it's going to go ahead and start gathering the context that it needs, reading the instructions. It's going through Marketing Cloud. It's actually introspecting previous emails. So it's actually looking at ampscript in a previous email to help understand what it might do in this upcoming email. So the brand kits have things like colors and fonts and logos and so forth. So I went ahead and created a report. And it's going to use the brand from the Cumulus styles and whatnot. So I went ahead and clarified that I want it to create email HTML for me, and I want to review it here. So it's using the artifact creator to generate that email HTML. And there it is. Wow. Big ol' mamba jamba. Holy ampscript, Batman. Okay, so at the top of the email, it basically wrote all of the ampscript necessary in terms of setting all the values. And there it is. It's beautiful, right? So we've got the logo, we've got the colors, we've got the brand. It wrote in all of the ampscript variables, including the if then, conditionals, things like destination, travel date, more if then transaction information, and so forth. So that is a good looking email. I'm gonna go ahead and save that for the future. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, go ahead and publish to Marketing Cloud. All right, So I said, go ahead and create and publish the HTML to the Marketing Cloud. So now it's going to go ahead and work on that. All right, so it did it. So we've got the email ID, we've got customer key, Visa rewards program, personalized update, and we also have some information if we want to use it in Journey Builder. All right, so let's jump over here. That's actually one from earlier. Let's go look at the new one. All right, personalized update, here it is. And there it is, folks. I have gone ahead and generated it and introspected the data extensions, wrote all the AMP script as well as all the copy for the email, and it is done.